Welcome to the script builder in Crevida. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up and how it turns your client's answers into a structured script. First, let's quickly understand what we're doing. The script builder takes the answers from your client's questionnaire and turns them into a structured piece of writing. For example, a ceremony script. To make that work, there are three parts: your questionnaire, your content template, and your script template. Let's start with the questionnaire. You can see the link below to see how to create questionnaires and share them with your clients. Inside a questionnaire, you'll create sections. Think of these as topics. For example, your story together, family and important people, and ceremony preferences. Then inside each section, add your questions. You'll be mapping the answers to these questions to your script. Next, let's move on to the script builder. From your settings, head to Clients and Forms, and then Script Builder. There are four main parts to this setup: script section types, script content templates, script templates sections, and script templates. Once those are all set up, you can create a script for a client. First, let's take a look at script section types. These are the different kinds of sections that you may want to use in a script. For example, welcome, love story, family acknowledgement, and vows. These are your categories and they can be reordered using the arrows. You only need to set these up once and then you can reuse them again and again. Next, we have the script content templates. This is where you write the actual wording. So, for example, if your section type is welcome, your content template might begin with something like "Welcome everyone and thank you for being here today." This is also where you link the answers to a questionnaire section so you can use the answers provided by clients to personalise the script. Simply choose the relevant questionnaire and then the appropriate section. This tells the system where to insert the client's answers when building the script. You can also add magic fields into the content template. Choose the relevant magic field from the drop-down, which will copy the magic field to your device. Then paste the magic field where you want it. Next are the script template sections. These are the actual sections inside the template. So for example, inside a wedding template, you might add welcome, love story, family acknowledgement, vows, ring exchange, and closing. For each script template section, you choose the section name, the default script content template, guidance text, the section type, whether it's required, and whether it can be shared with the client. So this is where everything connects together. For example, you create a script template section called Family Acknowledgement. You assign it to the section type and the content template that you want to use in this section. This means when a script is created, this section already knows what it is, what wording to start with, and where to pull the answers from. Finally, let's take a look at script templates. A script template is the full structure of the script. You might create a template called Wedding. This is the main framework. It does not hold all of the wording itself, it holds the structure of the script. Simply click Add Section and build the template using your sections. Now let's look at how this all works for a client. Once they have completed the questionnaire, you can create a script. Click Create Script Template, choose the relevant script template and click Create. Crevida will create the script, create all of the sections in the correct order, apply the default content template to each section, find the linked questionnaire section and pull through the client's answers from that section, which you will see in blue. So instead of starting with a blank page, you get a structured draft ready to edit. Simply click the edit icon to edit a section and refine the wording and make changes. You can also change the view to script and also PDF the script too. With the script builder in Crevida, you can turn client responses into structured scripts easily.